Look at your Canvas colors and sync them with your Google Drive and Google Calendar. So how to color code your Drive folders the same as your Canvas folders. You start by double clicking on a folder, scroll down to change color, and then click on the color you want. So you double click, scroll down, and pick a color. Match your Google Calendar with your Google Drive and Canvas. You double click on an event that's made, and you click on the color that you want. So you double click, and it should give you an option of a bunch of different colors, and you just click on the one that matches. So now if you want to create an event, you just click on a block of time, type in what you want the event to be called, then again double click on the event once it's made, and change the color.